Now to COVID and the Omicron variant, which is spreading like crazy across the Houston area. Now, if you've managed to avoid getting COVID-19 so far, doctors say it's likely you'll get it soon because this variant does not care if you're fully vaccinated.
It does not. The number of new cases is skyrocketing. And as Marcelino Benito explains, experts think it will get even worse before it gets better.
Guys, Omicron is breaking records here in Houston, and with children set to return to school tomorrow, experts worry about an even bigger explosion of cases across our area.
I'm very nervous about what the re-entry into the school system could do in terms of spreading this community-wide.
Omicron spreading like wildfire in Houston, infecting kids and adults alike.
It's very nerve-wracking to be going up at this rate.
New numbers from the Texas Medical Center show daily COVID-19 hospitalizations breaking records, now up to an average of more than 400 people per day. Healthcare workers among those catching Omicron.
Last week, we had over 1,100 of our staff who had COVID and were unable to come to work on their normal schedules.
Omicron proving to be far more contagious than past variants. Positivity rate at TMC now twice as high as during the Delta surge. 5,000 plus people testing positive daily across greater Houston. Still, not everyone testing positive is experiencing COVID symptoms, especially if they're vaccinated.
They're carrying the virus, but the virus isn't the reason that they're being hospitalized in a proportion of the patients.
But at Texas Children's Hospital,
it's heartbreaking to see what we're seeing in the halls of our hospital.
Doctors have watched Omicron explode from almost 0 cases in early December to 70 children hospitalized tonight.
We shattered prior records that were established during the Delta surge in August of 2021.
Most concerning to doctors, 1/3 of those patients are under age 5 and unable to get vaccinated. And across Houston, more than 80% of children have yet to receive a first dose of the COVID vaccine.
Want to make sure that children are, of course, masking in the school environment as much as possible.
And a slight silver lining tonight, Omicron is showing signs of being less severe. In a new report out from Houston Methodist, they took a look at their first 862 patients with the Omicron variant and found most patients were younger and had shorter hospital stays, indicating quicker recoveries. Back to you.
All right, Marcelino, thank you so much.